Field passage English 60 para. Some time ago there were two friends who were living village. They were living in houses very near to each other. One of them was working as a teacher in the primary school, and the other was working as a clerk in a local government office in the same village. They had their families living with them. The teacher's family included his wife, a son, and a daughter, while the clerk had his wife and one son only. Both the families were living in a very friendly manner. Para. The salaries which the two friends were drawing were very poor and were not sufficient to meet their usual requirements of life. It was therefore a problem before them. As days passed on, their condition of living was growing more and more difficult. When a man is in hardship, he tries to find out some way to face it. They therefore plan to do some extra work whereby they could add something more to their monthly earnings. They obtained some loan from a bank and purchased 2 cows. The cows were of a good type and were producing milk in a large quantity. This source not only could save their money on their own milk consumption, but was capable enough to meet all their necessities of life through the sale of balance milk in the village. Their customers were very happy with this best quality of cow milk over stock.